Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 7, the half double crochet. Now that you have learned how to yarn over and make the single crochet, let's learn how to make the half double crochet. The half double crochet, marked with the abbreviation HDC, is a stitch that is between the single crochet and the double crochet. The half double crochet is a bit bigger than the single crochet, but smaller than the double crochet. It is a stitch that can be used to create a variety of textures and designs in crochet projects. Now that you have learned some basic knowledge on the half double crochet, let's see how you can make it. Start by making a slip knot . And chain 14. Skip 2 chains and then follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Yarn over and insert your crochet hook into the third chain from your hook. Step 2. Yarn over again and pull a loop through the chain, making sure that you have 3 loops on your hook. Step 3. Yarn over a third time and pull it through all 3 loops. And that is how you make the half double crochet. To continue making the half double crochets, simply follow steps 1 to 3 again until you have no chains left. So we yarn over and insert your crochet hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull it through the chain, making sure you have 3 loops on your hook. And finally, yarn over a third time and pull it through all 3 loops. So just keep half double crocheting and I will be back to show you what to do next. Once you are at the end of the row, you should have 12 stitches. Then turn your piece and chain 2 for a half double crochet. To continue making half double crochets, just do what you did before, making sure that you insert your crochet hook into the half double crochets from row 1. You can crochet as many rows as you like just for practice, but make sure you work half double crochets into each stitch from previous rows. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for chapter 8, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.